Hi everyone, I'm Roxette Arisa and you're watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY. So today we are putting a brand new water resistant line of makeup to the test. This is the Cargo Cosmetics Swimmables line. It's super duper cute. So will it wash off? Will it work? Let's see. I've got some of the products from the collection, starting off with foundations. This is the Swimmables Longwear foundation from the collection. It does come in 8 shades, but I have 2 here to swatch. So I have Warm Nude for you guys, which is more of like a medium olivey undertone foundation. That's what it looks like right there. And then we have this shade right here, which is Mocha. And that's what the 2 foundation shades that I have to show you guys look like. This is a really nice formula, honestly, because it's supposed to give very buildable coverage, but it's very weightless, and that's perfect for the summertime because when you're out in the summer heat, when you're out all day, you don't want your foundation to be caking up because it's too heavy, but you still want to have that coverage, and you can already see that this foundation is gonna have that medium to full buildable coverage. So that is what we want. We have liquid lipsticks in the collection. So their liquid lipsticks from the Swimmables collection comes in 6 different shades. This is the shade Portofino, and it's actually the one that I'm wearing right now. It's such a beautiful classic red, and again, I just feel like for summertime, red is the way to make a bold statement, like with a wing and a red lip. You are summer ready, and these are so cool because they're very easy to wear. They glide on super easily, and they're very, very opaque as well. They also stay on your lips really nicely, so they're long wearing, they're creamy, they're not gonna like crack up or get dry on you. It's super duper nice, and on top of that all, it dries fast and never smudges. Next up, we have the Swimmables Eye Pencil Kit. So this one comes with 4 different shades. I have 3 of them here to show you guys today. So this is the black shade. It's number 1, Black Sea. We also have number 11, Shelby Beach, and then number 10, which is Dorado Beach. This is actually my favorite because it's the perfect bronze tone, and it's super duper creamy and long lasting again. And just look at that shade. It's so, so beautiful for the summertime, and I just think that I would get so much use out of this guy. And then we have to swatch this green because it's a very unique color. I really, really like the formula, but also the shade range of these because they're gonna be so universally flattering for so many different skin tones and eye colors, which I think is really important when you're really trying to make your eyes pop the most. And then we have number 1, Black Sea, which is your classic matte black, and it's again super duper creamy and highly pigmented. And these are actually all waterproof, smudge proof, and paraben free. Then we have the bronzer. This is the Swimmables water resistant bronzer. I thought it was so cool that there is a powder product that is actually water resistant, and the way that they did that is actually through silicone coated pigments that are in this product, and they basically just cling to the skin and help withstand water. So this is what this product looks like. It does have some shimmer in there, so when you're applying it to your skin, it's gonna give you a little bit of a glow, but it's nothing too crazy. It's not gonna make you look sparkly or anything, and it's just gonna give you that perfect summer bronze. And then over here we have some eye crayons. So these are the Swimmables Longwear eyeshadow stick. This is the shade MORRO Bay right here, which is a nice deep plummy shade. It almost has like pigments of bronze running through it. And then on the other shade is BOTANY Bay. So this one is more of like a mauve shade, but both of these are so great because they will stay on your eyes for a super long time without creasing. And at first you can smudge them out if you want to blend them in, but once they're set, and they are gonna stay on your face all day, all night, and they're water resistant. So that's pretty cool too. So let us know in the comment section below, do you wear makeup to the beach? Do you wear makeup to the pool? How interested are you guys in water resistant makeup? We would love to know. And now that we know what we're working with, we have to put this to the test. Oh my God, it actually stayed on. What do you guys think? This is pretty impressive. I am pretty darn impressed with that. Like even the foundation and the powder, nothing, it didn't even move. And it's like, it's on there for good. So what do you guys think of this result? Let us know in the comment section. Are you gonna check out this collection now for summer? We definitely wanna hear from you, and I am just so impressed with this right now. So thank you guys for watching this episode of This Week in Beauty, and we will see you next time.